Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Control PCB for rational part #42.00.260p. The Control PCB for rational part #42.00.260p is a printed circuit board (PCB) that is used to control the operation of rational ovens. It is responsible for controlling the temperature, fan speed, and other functions of the oven. The Control PCB is designed to be easily installed and removed from the oven, allowing for quick and easy maintenance or replacement. The Control PCB contains several components including a microcontroller, power supply, temperature sensors, and other electronic components. The microcontroller is responsible for controlling This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a control board for a rational oven. It is used to replace a faulty or damaged control board and can help to fix issues such as the oven not heating up, not responding to commands, or displaying error codes. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by disconnecting the power supply to the rational part #42.00.260p. 2. Remove the existing Control PCB from the unit and set aside for disposal. 3. Install the new Control PCB in its place, making sure to line up all of the connectors and screws correctly. 4. Connect all of the necessary cables and wires to the new Control PCB, ensuring that they are securely fastened in place. 5. Reconnect the power supply to the rational part #42.00.260p and test for proper operation before use. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.